I'm thrilled to have Anna Nelson join me on it. It's called In His Eyes.
I sit and watch the rain and see my tears run down the window.